In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the vibe coding feature in Hostinger step by step, so you can build a website or app with AI, edit it, and publish it without feeling overwhelmed. If you've been curious about Hostinger Horizons and you want a fast way to turn an idea into a real project, this tutorial is for you. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main dashboard, and this is where everything begins. From here, look for the dashboard area and take a moment to orient yourself, because Hostinger keeps its tools neatly organized, and you want to make sure you're in the right place before starting your project. Next, click on Horizons. This is the vibe coding section inside Hostinger, and it's the place where you can use AI to help create websites and apps much faster. If you've never used it before, don't worry. The process is designed to be beginner friendly, so even if you don't know how to code, you can still get started with a simple prompt and let the AI do the heavy lifting. Once you open Horizons, click Get Started. This will launch the vibe coding workflow and take you into the creation area. At this point, you're moving from the dashboard into the AI builder, where your idea starts turning into something real. Think of this as the moment where you go from planning to building. Now comes the fun part. You'll see a prompt field where you can enter what you want to build. Be as clear as possible here. For example, you can describe the type of website or app you want, the style you're going for, the features you need, or the purpose of the project. The more specific your prompt is, the better the AI can understand your vision and generate something useful. After typing your prompt, click Generate. Hostinger will now begin creating your website or app based on the instructions you gave it. This may take a moment, so let the AI finish working and don't rush the process. While it's generating, it's essentially building the structure, layout, and starting content for your project. Once the site or app has been generated, you can start editing it. Look for the Edit Content option in the top toolbar above your project. This is where you can begin refining the design and making the AI output feel more personal and more on-brand for your business or idea. Clicking into the editor gives you more control over what the final result looks like. Inside the editor, you can change the text, update the layout, adjust the design, and make the content fit your goals better. If something doesn't look quite right, this is your chance to fix it. You can also add new sections or features depending on what your project needs. For example, you might want to add a contact area, a pricing section, a hero banner, or a feature block. This is where vibe coding becomes really powerful because you're not just accepting the first AI draft, you're improving it step by step. As you make changes, remember to save your work. Saving regularly is always a good habit, especially when you're working on a live project or making multiple edits. It helps protect your progress and keeps everything up to date as you refine your design. When you're happy with your project, the final step is publishing it. Click Publish, then choose the domain or subdomain you want to use. This is what connects your project to the web so other people can actually visit it. After selecting the right option, go live and your site or app will be published. And that's it. You've now learned how to use the vibe coding feature in Hostinger, from logging in and generating your project to editing it and publishing it online. It's a simple workflow, but it can save you a lot of time if you want to build faster with AI. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Hostinger tips, AI website builder guides, and easy step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.